Need compact garment care station storage solutions for small homes that fold away cleanly and work reliably? A fold-out ironing board with an integrated steamer hookup is the core of an efficient wall-mounted station because it combines pressing and steaming without demanding floor space. Choose units with a hinged bracket that locks securely and installs at chest height so you can work ergonomically. Use a retractable hanging rail for steaming garments so you can pull it out when needed and tuck it back against the wall when you are done. Mount the rail on a low-friction slide and angle it slightly away from the wall so steam clears fabrics instead of pooling. Include a dedicated compartment sized for an iron and a small bottle of cleaner so hot tools and chemicals have a safe home. Line the compartment with heat-resistant material or a removable silicone mat for easy cleanup. Add a pull-down hook rail for accessories like lint rollers, glove clips, and padded hangers. Position the hooks so garments hang freely without brushing the baseboard or door. Keep a collapsible steamer stand that nests flat in a closet or the station itself. Choose a model that expands with a simple twist lock and has rubberized feet to prevent slipping when in use. For installation, locate studs or use heavy-duty wall anchors, verify the station is plumb with a level, and route the steamer power cord to a dedicated outlet with a cover so you avoid tripping and accidental water contact. People often expect one size fits all and buy a unit too wide for their walkway so the board bangs doors and obstructs traffic. So measure door swings and circulation paths first and choose a narrower board or a vertical fold design. Another common issue is poor ventilation when steaming in a tiny room, which causes odors and dampness. Solve this by steaming with a window open or using a small inline fan and a heat-resistant drip tray to capture condensation. Homeowners frequently store hot irons inside soft fabric pockets which can melt or scorch. Instead, keep irons in hard-shelved compartments with a cool-down period built into usage routines and educate household members to wait until devices reach ambient temperature before stowing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who offer installation and customization of compact garment care stations to fit small homes. Our site also helps contractors find work and grow their referrals, and we host a discussion community where members swap installation tips and product recommendations.